Mohbad, whose real name was Ilerioluwa Oledimeji Aloba, was a Nigerian singer, songwriter, and rapper known for his unique style and contributions to the Nigerian music scene, particularly in the Afrobeats and street pop genres. He was born on September 12, 1996, in Lagos, Nigeria. Mohbad gained recognition for his catchy music, a strong street influence, and relatable lyrics. Mohbad was initially signed to the record label Malian Music, led by controversial artist Naira Marley, where he rose to prominence with hits like Tkepike, Kopoku, and Feel Good. His collaborations with other Malian artists helped him gain a loyal fan base. However, Mohbad's career was marked by both success and controversy, including his departure from Malian music, which led to public disputes and legal battles. His music combined elements of Afrobeat, hip-hop, and trap, resonating with young Nigerians and global audiences alike. Tragically, Mohbad passed away on September 12, 2023, at the age of 27, under circumstances that raised questions and sparked discussions about the pressures of the Nigerian music industry. Mohbad's death was widely mourned by fans and the Nigerian music community, with many tributes pouring in to honor his legacy and contributions to music. His impact continues to be felt, especially among fans who cherished his talent and authenticity.